coming in. Come on, in you come. Welcome back to Bespoke Retrim. Just have a cheeky brew before I start the next project. I'll show you what it is actually. Come on, let's have a look. Follow me. So here it is, Porsche 993 Targa. Absolutely fantastic car. Really, really nice colour. So it's having a full bespoke retrim. If you drop inside, I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Now, it was great to start with, so great carpet, great seats, great trim, so all that's come out. It's already been to the bearded audio guy. Now the bearded audio guy did the install for the Nissan GTR, so if you've not seen that, the one we done earlier on, pop over and have a look. It's absolutely fantastic. Speakers have been upgraded, tweeter, and the amp's been upgraded as well, so this is going to sound fantastic once it's done. My role in this is to obviously retrim the interior, and the colour we're going for is tan, so it's a 4-grain Napa tan, absolutely fantastic quality. The seats are going to be tan outers with houndstooth black and white inserts, and if you're familiar with the Porsche Targa, the Porsche Singers, you'll notice that they tend to do a lot of work in the rear seats. They tend to either delete them, put a plastic tub in there, a fiberglass tub in there, paint it or leather it. What I'm going to do for this customer, we're going to leather it all. So the seats are there, well, the seats that were there are out and they are not going back in. There's no point in buying the tub because they're, I think last time I looked, they're probably around about £3,000. For a fiberglass tub, that doesn't fit in this car, so there's no point in using one. So I'm going to do it from scratch. I'm not going to do a fiberglass, it's all going to be leather. So that's going to be nice and smooth when it's done. It's going to look absolutely fantastic. So there's a lot to do. Make sure you follow me, follow the build, and see what goes on. I'm off, catch you in a bit.